So I would say that's why we blew $2 billion recently in VC money and going public spec and all that, is because the hardware guy was getting so much money, but they were actually not doing something mind blowing. The only thing that was mind blowing was metal binding jetting, leveraging on the supply chain of mint powder that already exists. So you don't have a supply issue of materials, but the hardware was also easy to make, but the process, dialing it all in. And I guess ahead of time, they were missing the software piece, the AI and the shrinkage and so that. But in general, to answer your question, I think hardware, most of the exhibition and trade show you see now, they're almost the same. All the parts is incremental, a little bit of twist. I can do a little bit high temperature than you. I can do a little bit bigger than you, but it's not mind blowing. And the only thing mind blowing I can see is a volumetric, where you have a resin and it rotates, but it's still teeny tiny. It's still very early days to speed up. The biggest issue, if we can do everything else, the hardware, software, material, but the process, 3D printing is still way too slow. And because we're slow, the speed, the productivity, the cost per part is still very high. So unless we get super fast, hyper additive manufacturing, then we will not be able to really push down cost per part. Remember, that was the second piece, right? You get the material quality, ingredient, but if you can't get cost per part down, one easier way is to speed up the process. But science is science. Sometimes you can't go faster. You're getting a speeding ticket.